children, yesterday we have discussed how the microbes are used in industrial products, how the microbes used in biogas production and the household product. Today our topic is microbes uses in the sewage treatment, how the microbes are used in the sewage treatment plants. So what do you mean by sewage? Sewage is a wastewater from our houses, from cities, from towns. So this is the municipal wastewater in which human excreta is a major constituent. It is the municipal waste water. This is the municipal wastewater in which organic matter, human excreta is the major constituent. So how by the help of the microbes the sewage is treated? Sewage is treated mainly in the sewage treatment plant. Sewage treatment plants. Sewage treatment plant. In the sewage treatment plant, sewage is first treated in the, it is called the primary treatment. First treatment is called the primary treatment. In the primary treatment, the physical impurities, physical we can say the visible impurities जो हमें दिखती हैं, जो भी visible debris, stones, pebbles like sand, all are soil particles are removed in the primary treatment. So this is also called the physical treatment. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Physical treatment भी बोलते हैं. By the process of filtration, जो भी विजिबल इम्प्योरिटीज होती हैं, by the use of the filtrate का यूज करके और फिल्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस से जो भी डेब्रिसेस है उनको रिमूव करते हैं. देन आफ्टर द फिल्ट्रेशन, सेडिमेंटेशन प्रोसेस से जो भी इनसॉल्युबल जितनी भी इसमें इम्प्योरिटीज होती है वाटर में या सीवेज वाटर में कह सकते हैं, देन इट इज सेडिमेंट, यानी कि जो हैवी पार्टिकल्स आर सेटल डाउन इनटू द बॉटम, सो इट इज कॉल्ड द सेडिमेंटेशन. और जो सेडिमेंटेशन से जितनी भी इम्प्योरिटीज सेटल डाउन हो जाती हैं, दीज इम्प्योरिटीज आर सेटल डाउन, it is called the primary sludge. It is called primary sludge. और जो ऊपर जो supernatant liquid होता है, this is the supernatant, it is called the primary effluent. It is called the primary effluent. तो primary effluent is again passed into for the secondary treatment. Secondary treatment is also called the biological treatment. It is called biological treatment because the microbes are used in this process. First, the sewage water, or we can say the primary effluent, pass through the aeration tank. Aeration tank. In this aeration tank, the oxygen is pumped in. So, due to the presence of the air, the aerobic bacteria are the grows. Then and it is the continuously agitated mechanically. So after that the aerobic bacteria form, they are continuously decreasing the biochemical oxygen demand. It is called BOD. Biochemical oxygen demand is the measurement of the oxygen or the consumed oxygen in the 1 liter of water in which all the organic matter is oxidized by the microbes. So if the BOD, this biochemical oxygen demand is greater, then the water is more polluted. If the biochemical oxygen demand is decreased, then the water is going to less polluted. Okay. So when till the biochemical oxygen demand is not decreased, till this process occur. After that, when biochemical oxygen demand is decreased, then it's again passed into the settling tank. Into the settling tank, the bacterial flocks are settled down. Bacterial flocks settle down in this tank, and then the microbes are all are settled down. Okay. After settle down, this sediment is called the activated sludge, and some part of the activated sludge is again passed into the aeration tank as a inoculum, or we can say as a starter. थोड़ा सा इसमें से लेके जो एक्टिवेटेड स्लज है वापस किसमें डालते हैं, एरेशन टैंक में, एज अ इनोक्यूलम और एज अ स्टार्टर. देन द रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज, जो रिमेनिंग पार्ट बच जाता है, देन अगेन पास्ड इनटू द एनएरोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर. एनएरोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर में उसको अगेन पास करते हैं. एनएरोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर में पास करने का मेन एम ये होता है कि मेन जो एनएरोबिक माइक्रोब्स और एनएरोबिक बैक्टीरियाज आर ग्रो एंड दे किल दी अदर बैक्टीरिया, अदर फंगस, अदर माइक्रोब्स. जितने भी दूसरे माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म जितने भी ग्रो हुए थे एंड फंजाई प्रेजेंट थे वाटर में, फंगस को, स्मॉल माइक्रोब्स को वो एनएरोबिक बैक्टीरिया किल कर देते हैं. एंड देन द इफ्लुएंट फॉर्म फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट. एनएरोबिक स्लज डाइजेस्टर से जो भी इफ्लुएंट फॉर्म होता है, दिस इफ्लुएंट इज वी कैन इजीली पास इनटू द वाटर बॉडीज, वी कैन से द रिवर्स स्ट्रीम, so they can be less polluting water. So how the microbes are used in the aeration tank, in the anaerobic sludge digester, so can with the help of the aerobic bacteria and the anaerobic bacteria, we can treat the sewage water in the sewage treatment plants. So it is the very important to determine that the how the sewage is treated, means municipal waste is treated. Hope this topic is clear. Thank you.